Hi, I'm Shareen from OrangeTee AAG division. Welcome to this beautiful 4-bedroom dual key unit on the top floor of SIMS Urban Oasis. Come on in, I want to show you this very special home. A dual key unit comprises two separate residential dwellings with a shared common entrance. This 4-bedroom dual key unit is made up of a studio and a larger 3-bedroom apartment all under one roof. Such unique layouts are perfect for multi-generational living or those who would like to rent out the studio for rental income while using the rest of the property for their own stay. There are 1,024 units in SIMS Urban Oasis, but only 15 units with a 4-bedroom dual key layout just like this one. So this is a rare gem which could be your new home. The studio is self-contained and comes with its own ensuite bathroom and appliances like an induction hob, a washer cum dryer, a fridge, as well as a microwave oven. An outdoor laundry rack has also been installed, which is a very useful feature. I especially like this balcony with its unblocked views. Let's check out the rest of this lovely home. The larger apartment has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, wet and dry kitchens, and a utility room. The layout is practical and functional. Being on the top floor, this unit enjoys a double volume ceiling that gives the living and dining areas a spaciousness and elegance that is rarely found in typical layouts. The floor-to-ceiling glass panels make the home bright and airy. Whipping up gourmet meals is a breeze with well-equipped dry and wet kitchens. And you can just close the sliding door if necessary. The 3 bedrooms and utility room are down this hallway, segregated from the common living areas for more privacy. With newer condos, it's becoming a bit of a rarity to have a separate utility room even for larger unit types. So it's a real bonus that this unit comes with a decent utility room that doubles up as a helper's room. One thing you will appreciate about the bedrooms is that there are no bay windows. Therefore, the rooms feel comfortable and have the right amount of space for a bed as well as a study table. This room enjoys the convenience of having direct access to the adjacent bathroom. While it is currently used as a child's playroom, it can easily revert back to a bedroom. Now, the master bedroom has 2 unique features which made the present owners fall in love with it, and I'm sure you will love it too. The first unique feature is the built-in loft which was put in by the developer. This is a huge bonus for people who work from home. The second unique feature is the balcony, which can be fully enclosed with louvres. This is a practical feature which allows you to increase the usable space of the bedroom. It's not often that you can find such an attractive property that ticks all the right boxes in terms of aesthetics and functionality. And it's not often that you have the opportunity to buy a property that you can rent out while using for your own stay at the same time. This 4-bedroom dual key unit offers you that flexibility. Its convenient city fringe location makes this an even more compelling proposition. Call me, Shareen, at 9827-9802 to find out how this can be your new home.